Hey guys, if you are using Google Translation frequently, then this is a very useful video for you. So today I'm gonna show you the easy trick, or you can create a direct shortcut to your desktop. So by just one click, you can reach to the Google Translation. By just one click, you can reach to the Google Translate. So first of all, just click on this three dot menu and reach to the More Tools and click on Create Shortcut. Just click on Create button. Now move to the desktop. Here you can see the Google Translate is there. Just double click on it and you will redirect it to the translate.google.co.in. So it is very easy and convenient way to reach the Google Translate. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.